A new star is upon us.
Here she goes, talking about herself again.
The most stunning.
Loves looking at her reflection.
And brightest of its kind.
Still counts with her toes.
The envy of every PC builder.
Hold on, you built one PC?
Are you done?
Are you done?
I'm talking about the ASRock Z790 Nova Wi-Fi motherboard.
Oh, in that case, I agree with everything you just said.
It was right in front the whole time. And yeah, it is great. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Unbox This. A brand new motherboard has dropped down from the stars themselves, the ASRock Z790 Nova Wi-Fi motherboard. It's just as impressive and grand as space itself, with its stunning design, expansive and toolless M.2 slots, and it's ready to handle your newest upgrades. Maybe a 14th gen processor if you're really lucky. This motherboard is powerful, fast, and delivers the latest Wi-Fi 7 technology. Truly, the ASRock Z790 Nova Wi-Fi motherboard feels ahead of its time. But before we talk about it, we should unbox this. Let's open this sparkly, sparkly box. I'm almost expecting this to glow when it comes out of the box. Ooh, this is gonna look so nice. Oh, baby. Nova knew what they were doing, you know? Nova's such a nice name. Make sure that you put it everywhere on this motherboard. Okay, let's take out our wrapper. Oh, yeah. Wow. See, I know we're not gonna be able to get it lit up because we're not building a PC here, but you can already see the colors on it and where it's gonna glow. This is beautiful. Oh, wow! Just little details like this make it that much better. And you can see all of these heat sinks here. This is beautiful. If I really wanted to go big with my PC, I'd get this motherboard. Truly, this looks like a labor of love. This is beautiful. These are all my favorite colors too. Pink and blue and purple. Wow! Okay, there's even Nova on the back side. Let's see. Peel this off. Yeah, if my name was Nova, I'd have it plastered everywhere too. I could stare at this all day, but I know I gotta still unbox more things. Here, we have our user manual. And then we have all of our individually packed screws. And you get your little Phantom Gaming keycap and a sticker to put wherever you'd like on your PC. And then we have our antenna and base for Wi-Fi 7 capabilities. It looks like in here you also have your optional graphics card bracket, and then we have our additional SATA cables, pin connectors, and then it looks like you also have 3 optional thermistor cables. Cool, and that's all there is to it. What's nice is that you have a ton of added optional helpful connectors and features here in the box itself, but come on, we gotta talk about the motherboard itself, so let's get into what the Nova's bringing. Here it is, the magnificent ASRock Z790 Nova Wi-Fi motherboard. This is performance taken to the extreme. You can pair this baby with a 12th, 13th, or hopefully your new 14th gen Intel Core processor. And if you'd like to go ahead and throw in a RAM upgrade, you have 4 DDR5 slots supporting up to 8,000 megahertz. The base speeds alone are impressive, but if you're someone looking to overclock your PC, this is the MOBO to do it with. The ASRock Z790 Nova Wi-Fi motherboard provides power all while holding on to its durability and system stability, thanks to the 20K black capacitors. Even with its unmatched overclocking capabilities, the DR-MOS design uses the latest smart power stage technology to enhance performance with the lowest temperatures for incredible longevity. Believe me, you're gonna wanna hold on to this motherboard for a long time. Your PC will feel more feature-proof thanks to its PCIe 5.0 support for both your graphics card and M.2 SSD. With storage in mind, you're getting a ton of sockets to hold on to all of your precious PC files, games, and media. 1 blazing M.2 PCIe 5.0x4 socket and 5 Hyper M.2 PCIe Gen 4x4 sockets. Enough to contain and keep your storage cool under the XXL aluminum alloy heatsink. Even more impressive, this MOBO is ready to support Wi-Fi 7. You'll have access to a 6 GHz band with your trusty antenna. Even better, you also have a killer E3100 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet port for the ultimate speedy networking experience. And of course, you get all the added perks, Bluetooth 5.4, MoMeMo support, and all the incredible I/O so that your added devices are never missed. This motherboard makes it all possible. The ASRock Z790 Nova Wi-Fi motherboard is a dream. Bring it into your life and get the performance, cooling, and longevity that your PC deserves. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss out on the latest tech. I'm Tori. We just unboxed this. See ya!